The Sony A7V is rapidly becoming the centerpiece of 2025's mirrorless camera conversation. After nearly 4 years since the A7 IV rocked the market, anticipation is building fast. Leaks, rumors, patent filings, and strategic silence from Sony have all contributed to a storm of speculation, until now. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the upcoming Sony A7V such a monumental release in both photography and videography. Sony's Alpha 7 series has defined the hybrid full-frame mirrorless segment since the original A7 debuted. With each iteration from the A7 II to the beloved A7 III and then the more video-centric A7 IV, Sony has continued to bridge the gap between professional photo and video needs. The A7 IV, launched in October 2021, brought a 33MP full-frame sensor, strong video specs, and revamped autofocus to the table, instantly becoming a top choice for content creators, hybrid shooters, indie filmmakers, wedding photographers, and vloggers. Now, with nearly 4 years of development since the A7 IV, the A7V isn't just expected to be a refresh, it's rumored to be a reinvention. Sony traditionally operates on a 2 to 3 year release cycle for its A7 line, so many wondered why the A7V hadn't already arrived. However, industry insiders suggest the delay has been intentional. Rather than offering incremental updates, Sony has seemingly gone back to the drawing board to overhaul key problem areas users reported with the A7 IV. Sony appears to be stepping away from the spec race game, opting instead to fine-tune performance in the real world. Thermal performance, rolling shutter, and AI autofocus are all reportedly being addressed at a fundamental level. One of the A7IV's biggest criticisms was overheating during extended 4K video shoots. Many users reported thermal warnings after just 30 to 40 minutes of continuous recording. The Sony A7V is expected to feature a redesigned passive cooling system with improved airflow, better thermal distribution across internal components, near unlimited 4K recording capabilities even in hot environments. These changes would position the A7V as a reliable workhorse for documentary filmmakers, YouTubers, and wedding videographers. Patent hunters and regulatory sleuths have uncovered several